Experiencing a no SIM or invalid SIM error on your T-Mobile device can be frustrating, disrupting calls, texts, and data. This issue, affecting approximately 5 to 7% of T-Mobile users, often stems from physical SIM card problems, software glitches, or network incompatibilities. Recent T-Mobile network upgrades and software updates, while beneficial, can sometimes trigger these errors, especially on older devices. We'll guide you through troubleshooting steps to quickly restore your connection. First, power off your device completely. Locate the SIM card slot, usually on the side of your phone. Use a SIM ejector tool or a straightened paperclip to gently push into the small hole next to the slot. This will eject the SIM tray. Remove the tray, take out the SIM card, and inspect it for any obvious damage. Then reinsert the SIM card firmly into the tray, making sure it's properly aligned, and slide the tray back into the phone. Power on your device and check if the SIM is recognized. This simple reseating often fixes loose connections. If reseating didn't work, the contacts might be dirty. Remove the SIM card and tray again. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe the gold contacts on the SIM card. You can also use compressed air to blow away any dust or debris from the contacts and inside the SIM slot. Be very gentle and avoid using any liquids or abrasive materials, as they could damage the delicate contacts. After cleaning, reinsert the SIM and test the connection. Clean contacts are essential for proper electrical contact with your phone. For a more permanent solution, consider switching to an eSIM if your device supports it. An eSIM is a digital SIM that eliminates physical card issues. Open your phone's settings, go to cellular or mobile data, and look for Add eSIM Plan or similar option. T-Mobile will provide a QR code. Scan it with your camera or enter the details manually. Follow the prompts to download and activate the eSIM profile. This bypasses physical SIM problems entirely and is especially useful for modern devices. If none of these steps work, contact T-Mobile support for further assistance.